Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about USD JPY pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 20th to 24th April 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So here USD JPY pair I have already opened the chart. So let's talk about the closing first. So as you can see on Friday 0.31% negative move, 150.621 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check a weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bearish candle with a big body and a big lower wick and a small upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 66 level, which is indicating as a slight negative momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here important support zones and resistance zones are already marked. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. Let's straight away talk about the closing first. So here 150.621 is the closing on Friday. Here direct support is 150.619, direct resistance is 150.917. After direct support, there is a support of 150.411 and then 150.204. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 159.177 and then 159.444. Remember, here the closing is above direct support. So here if we see a big gap down opening, then we can expect a sharp fall till this level, even for this level as well. But if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared prop firm links in the description where you can open your account from there and get funded. I've also shared a discount coupon codes which will help you to take better discounts on any challenge that you buy from those platforms. So if you're interested, then you can check the link in the description, even in the comment section, and you can open your account from there. But if you think these prop firms of funded account has a very strict rule and if you want to trade freely, then you can also open a broker account which is I have already given in the description, which is my GTC FX. So if you're interested in that, you can open your account from there as well. And if you want to join my private Telegram channel, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will share you how you can join my private membership, which is absolutely free. So if you're interested, do contact me on my WhatsApp number. Let's now talk about my opinion in USD JPY pair for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a positive closing, but in a no trading zone, which is 150.619 to 158.917. Surely this is a positive closing, but in a no trading zone, which is indicating us that we will see a less momentum for this week. But if you're going for any short trade or a long trade, only go for a short trade once direct support gets breached and a 4-hour or a one-day candle gets closed below this level, which is 150.619. Then you can go for a short till this level. Even you can wait for this level as well. If you're going for any long trade, then only go for a long trade once 158.917 gets reached and a 4-hour or one-day candle gets closed above this. Then you can go for a long till this level and you can wait for a closing for this target as well. Overall, my expectation is a bit positive in no trading zone, which in this area. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.